In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit SlideUpLift template, learn how to enable editing, and we'll start in PowerPoint, then look at the same edits in Google Slides and Keynote so you can work smoothly no matter which app you use. First, open your SlideUpLift template. If you downloaded a PPTX file, double-click it to launch PowerPoint. If you see a yellow bar at the top that says Protected View or something similar, click Enable Editing. That message appears because the file came from the web. Enabling it lets you make changes. To edit any text, click directly on the words you want to change. You'll see a bounding box appear around that area, and your cursor will blink inside the text. Highlight the placeholder text and start typing your own content. Press Enter to add a new line. If you want to replace everything in that box at once, press Ctrl-A while your cursor is inside. That selects all the text so you can overwrite it instantly. Next, refine the look. Go to the Home tab. In the font section, adjust the font family, size, and color, and toggle bold or italic. You can also tweak line spacing for readability. Aim to keep styles consistent across slides so your presentation feels cohesive and on brand. For positioning, with the text box selected, go to the Home tab and then the Paragraph section to choose left, center, right, or justified alignment. Pick the option that best matches the layout and maintains good visual balance. If your content doesn't quite fit, click the edge of the text box and drag the corner handles to make it wider or taller. This helps longer text fit without breaking the design. To reposition, hover over the border until your cursor changes, then drag the box to a better spot and release. PowerPoint's alignment guides can help you snap things into place. If text overflows, reduce the font size slightly, increase the text box size, adjust line spacing, or remove any leftover placeholder lines you don't need. Small changes usually restore clean spacing and legibility. In Google Slides, open Slides, upload your template if needed, and open it. Click any text box to enter editing mode, replace the text, and use the top toolbar to change font, size, color, bold or italic, and alignment. Click the border to resize or move the box, just like in PowerPoint. In Keynote, import the template, click the text box, highlight, and type. Then use the Format sidebar to adjust font, size, color, and alignment. If a font is missing, Keynote may substitute one. Choose a close match to maintain the design's look. That's it. Edit, format, and fine-tune with confidence across all three apps.